Hello everybody, I'm Francesco and I'm a volunteer for the European Solidarity Corps. ESC is a program founded and implemented by the European Union. If you want to know more about it, please check the link below. My hosting organization is called Care to Travel and it's based in Miercurea Ciuc, Romania. Today we're gonna talk about upcycling. You know, every time I walk down the street, people ask me, Francesco, what is upcycling? Well, that's not true. Anyway, today we're gonna find out about it. But let's ask some experts about upcycling. Sorry sir, do you know something about upcycling? No? I should ask someone else. Sorry, do you know something about upcycling? They don't want to talk about it.
Easy. Do you know something about upcycling? Or should I ask Jeff? Let's ask Jeff.
Jeff, what do you know about upcycling? You don't know anything about upcycling? When you think about upcycling, I want you to think about an app that you have on your mobile phone. To make it better, you usually update it. We can do the same thing with our waste. So, for example, we can upgrade and we can update a roll of toilet paper like this in something new, in something different, in a new product. We can reinvent it. Or, for example, we can take an egg box like this one and transform it in something new, like this little bee. Why upcycling? Well, if we upcycle, we have less contamination because we don't throw our trash away. We have less pollution because we don't need to create a new material in order to create something new. We extend the lifespan of a product because if we throw this, the life of this roll of toilet paper is over. While if we create something new, we can use it for a longer time. We can use less resources because we don't need to buy other products to create something like that. We just have to use our imagination, and if you are a cheapskate, you can also think that you save money. What's the difference between upcycling, recycling and reusing? Well, when you reuse a product, basically you reuse it for the same purpose. For example, you have a plastic bottle, you finish to drink your water and you use it again. You fill it again with the same liquid or with another liquid, so nothing changes. The main differences between upcycling and recycling is that when you recycle something, you need to break down the original material, so it creates some pollution in the air and on the ground. You have the same product, but the same product that you have, it's a product that it's downcycled. What does that mean? Basically, it means that it loses some of its chemical, physical properties. So the final product that we have after recycling has a worse quality rather than the original one. Upcycling between these three options is the best option along with reusing. Another good thing, another important thing of upcycling is that it can be used to create art and it can have a social impact. I'll show you how. Oh, I didn't see you there. If you watched this video till now, maybe you can be interested in upcycling and its relation with art and the social impact that upcycling can have. Please, if you want to know more about this topic, write it down in the comment section. If you like the video, please press like, subscribe and activate the notification bell. See ya!